Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday the 5th of March 2019. So yesterday in the pound, the market down, seemed to have reached a bit of a peak at the moment. And like I say, they're waiting for the vote next week. That's all there is to say. I mean, you can even see from the volume that prices there not really being moved around with any sort of professional money, just being moved around. And yesterday, very similar picture to this, and the Dow, again, that 200 bar moving average being the ceiling for this market. And then down we go, we get a retracement, and then further down, and then we get a triple bottom actually, down here, where the market's found support overnight. But once again, that 200 bar moving average working out beautifully as far as this market's concerned. News today. Barmy Carney's out today at 3:35, so watch out. The pound trading session will be over then, but if you're actually holding a position and trailing the stop, then just be aware of that. But yeah, great trade here yesterday off that 200 bar moving average. And the same for the Dow. I'm just going to go to the daily chart first. You can see the market there go through the 76%, trading down to the 20 bar moving average, and then fighting its way back before the close. No surprise there. Plunge protection team, smart money, whatever you want to call it, getting back into this market. Still sideways. There's no news to drive this market to the upside at the moment. As Powell's become dovish, you think the market would actually be firing to the upside, but at the moment it's not. It's lost all of its momentum, which is very interesting to say the least. Also, looking at this daily chart from the high that we have here, the recent one, to yesterday's low, watch the 76% retracement as prices make their way back. Also happens to be this level here as well. I'm just going to delete that so you can see. So watch the 76% retracement. I'm going to remove this one for a moment as we're through this. I'll just save that. So yeah, as the market attempts to move back, watch 26,000 level there. But inside of yesterday, again, just like the pound, the market broke through that 200 bar moving average, and then eventually whatever news came out sent the market lower. But as night follows day, the same pattern we've had for years. By the end of the session, we see the market being brought back, whether it's the Fed, whether it's short covering, whether it's smart money moving in and buying bargains, who knows. But this pattern has prevailed now for a very, very long time. And once again, we see here 50% retracement of prices, and now we're moving back up on the overnight market towards the 200 bar moving average. So it'll be interesting to see how the market copes with this. Also the DP level, which coincides beautifully with this as well. And then finally, Bitcoin, nothing to report here. The market trading down to the 76% retracement yesterday, stuck in a sideways range. And when I mean sideways, look at yesterday and the overnight, very, very quiet. So we had Sunday night, market dropped, and then it's just been sideways there. So nothing to report there at all. Okay, let's see what happens today. Yesterday there was a no news day, but the market managed to slide to the downside. Let's see what Carney can do to try and support prices, in particular the pound. Today he's a remainer. That's evident by the words that he uses, and he'll do anything he can to support the pound, or come with his fear-mongering to the markets as well. Okay, that will do it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.